Greetings, parents, guardians, and students. My name is Christine Matson, and I am the Mathematics Department Chair at Cranston West. All students are required to take a minimum of 4 math classes for graduation. With our semester block schedule, students are able to double up and take more math classes if they choose. We offer a variety of pathways and classes to meet the learning needs of every student. These include classes for students who need more supports in math, those who are college-bound, who will go into a trade or military, as well as enrichment courses for students. We offer a dual enrollment pre-calculus course through the University of Rhode Island, as well as advanced placement AP Statistics, AP Calculus AB, and AP Calculus BC. We also offer courses based on students' interests, including a new sports analytics course and an enriched math topics honors elective. All of these course descriptions can be found in the program of studies. The Cranston West Math Department is leading the way with 21st century learning through the use of blended learning. Blended learning is a model of implementing instruction through multiple platforms, which helps to individualize the learning process and best meet the needs of students. By blending face-to-face with online learning, students are able to work at their own pace and achieve optimal understanding of mathematical concepts. The Cranston West Math Department also incorporates hands-on tasks and real-world problems in order to engage students' interests and further their understanding. We also offer a variety of supports for students. These include peer student tutoring, an academic success course, Tutor.com partnered with the Cranston Public Library, and MTSS, multi-tiered system of supports, just to name a few. Our students also have the opportunity to compete in a variety of mathematical competitions and earn different awards or scholarships. In essence, we have a dedicated math department who supports and prepares students for their post-secondary goals. To learn more, or if you have any questions, feel free to email me at cmatson@cpsed.net.